Morning. I hope you're doing good. It's 7:15 at my house and we leave New Zealand in 2 days, and they didn't come already. They come today. I have been awake for a while, but you know me, sometimes it's hard to speak. They are they're coming today to pack up, and I thought they were going to do it over 3 days, but there's a little bit of a difference in how they do it. My house is quite messy for me at the moment because it's like, you know, we're moving. So I've got some dishes to do. My brain is just thinking, well, Terry, you've got so much to do. But in reality, I'm thinking I just want to go back to bed. I don't know why I'm laughing. I always laugh at the silliest things. It's like, why? Anyway, so I've got suitcases under my bags and yeah, a lot to do. I don't know how many people are coming to pack, but I'll soon be able to tell you. So I'm just kind of walking around the rooms that no one's sleeping in. Oh, I don't want to wake people up. And just seeing that if everything is ready. Like I've taken the light shade down because I'm going to take that. And like when the movers come, they just know that everything in this room goes. Okay. This room's pretty much ready to be packed as well. Oh, there is a mountain out that window, but you cannot see it. Hello. Oh, look at you guys. We're cow sitting. Hello. If you've watched my videos for a long time, you know I usually go into this paddock. And of course I don't have Boss either. In an upcoming video, if you saw my last video, Boss and Captain were getting driven to Auckland to make their big move overseas. Well, I'm actually just recording bits of that video at the moment, so that will be up soonish. I just thought I'd get the house stuff out of the way and I can, you know, put that up. It's quite interesting what happened. So make sure, if you want to know what happened, to keep an eye out for that video. So I've got the dryer going, trying to do washing and drying as much as before they come and pack. The garage is looking pretty unorganised, but we're getting there. So the truck's here, but what's happening is they're packing today, everything, and then the container will be brought to the house either today or the next day. No, tomorrow or the next day. It's all happening now, it's all really real. So they're just having a break, but they're doing so well. It's really weird having your whole house packed up. Getting there, guys. If I've been speaking a bit softly today, it's because people are around, so I'm sorry about the audio. I always say that my camera is much better than my phone for audio, which it is. I'm going to start using that again once I get to Croatia. But anyway, guys, it's the end of the day. This is our bedroom. This is what we see when we watch TV tonight. Yeah. We have a lot of stuff. Like, we think we don't own a lot of stuff, and we own a lot of stuff. Like, it's not till you move that you think, yeah, I do. So, yeah. We actually don't have anywhere to sit. We can sit on the floor, on our bed. Anyway, this is how it's all looking. They're coming back in, not tomorrow, but the next day. So we just have to live like this for a couple of days, but it's definitely worth it. Yeah, they did an amazing job. They worked so hard. I'm so impressed. So yeah, that's the end of it for day one. It is the day that they come, finish the packing, and put everything in a 20-foot container in a truck, and they are taking those to Tauranga, where they'll put all the stuff from the 20-foot container into the 40-foot container, and all the stuff from the truck into the 40-foot container, and the motorbikes. It's quite complicated. I thought they were just bringing the 40-foot container to our house, but maybe it's huge, or I don't even know how they work it. But anyway, I'm just waiting for them to arrive. They're nearly finished, but unfortunately we have to go before they're finished. It's just organised chaos, guys. It's absolutely chaotic. But we're leaving our house and our goods in safe hands. We've told them what we want left behind and what we want to fit in. So yeah, I did want to do an empty house tour, but I just don't think that's going to happen. Okay, getting ready to leave the house for the very last time. It's a weird feeling after 7.5 years. Bye house, it's been nice knowing you for 7.5 years, and we're off to Auckland to fly out to Croatia.